So are you still using formulas to clean up phone numbers in Excel? Stop if you handle thousands of entries with 91 or plus 91 prefixes. I'm going to show you how you to build a one-click cleaning buttons. By the end of this video, you will have a custom macro that cleans up your database instantly. So let's dive in. So before we write any code, we need the developer tabs here. You can see that, and if you don't see it in the top of your Excel, don't worry, and right click and go to the customize ribbon, and in the right hand list make sure the developer box is checked and click OK. You are in the club. So now head to the developer, and on the left side you will see that the visual basic. Click on that. So this is the place where the magic happens. Go to the top menu bar and click insert. Click on the module. This creates the blank page for our automation script. I'm pasting the code here, and you can find it the description below. And now close it. So let's test it. Go back to your sheet, highlighting the column with the messy table. So press Alt plus F8. You will see a macro and click run. And here is the magic done. This visual shows the number changing instantly. Boom, everything is clean, and you get a confirmation message as all numbers are clean. So one final very important step, you must save this file as an Excel macro enabled workbook. If you save it as a regular Excel file, the code will be deleted. So if this pro tip saved your time, hit the like button and subscribe for more Excel automation tricks. See you in the next one.